First, you click Products and Items. Next, click Taxes. To add a new tax, click Add Tax button. Name your tax. Select the tax type, percentage, or amount. Next, select how you want to apply your tax. Then, you set the percentage. Next, click and save. Last, click Publish your changes to the POS. First, click Products and Items, then click Taxes. Turn on the toggle for Tax per Service Type. A reminder that you need to set percentage and value for all service types will be shown here. Click Yes. The value set for each service type will be shown here. To set these values, click the pencil. You will set a percentage for each service type. Once you've finished, click Update. Last, you'll sync your changes and click Publish to the POS.